Hey, I just wanted to do a review on the Yeslak. The under-seat storage protection, it's something I wouldn't have thought of, but it fits perfect, OEM. It's got a texture just like the factory texture. It's not cheap at all. And to install it, you set it down. It's got some Velcro on the back side, but they just set it into place. The fitment is perfect. What I don't like is the carpet underneath there just gets all the hair, and you know, I try to keep the truck clean, but it's all this stuff that just sticks in the carpet and it just looks nasty. Let me show you my Jeep. That's what I'm talking about. It's gross. Jeep needs to do the same thing they did. I give it 2 thumbs up. That is awesome.